In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and reuse citations in Microsoft Word. If you're writing a paper, report, or any document that needs sources, this quick walkthrough will help you add citations the right way and keep everything consistent. We'll place a citation exactly where you want it, add a new source, and then reuse that source later without retyping anything. Start by opening your document and placing your cursor where you want the citation to appear. Take a second to be precise here. If you're following a particular style guide, you'll typically place the citation at the end of the sentence that contains the information you're crediting. Positioning it correctly now saves you from shuffling punctuation or spacing later. Next, head to the References tab at the top of Word. This is your home base for all things citations and bibliographies. Click Insert Citation. A small menu will appear, and from there you'll choose Add New Source. This tells Word you want to create a record for a book, article, website, or any other material you're citing, so it can format and remember it for you. When the Create Source window opens, fill out the required fields for your source. Select the correct source type first, like book, journal article, or website, so the form matches what you're citing. Add the author's name, the title, the year, and any other details the form requests. The more complete your information, the better your citation will look. Take a moment to check spelling, capitalization, and dates. Small errors can slip through quickly and are easier to fix now than later. Click OK, and Word will automatically insert the citation right where your cursor was. You'll see it appear in your document properly formatted for the default settings. If something looks off, don't worry. You can always return to the same menu later to edit the source details, and Word will update it wherever it appears. Now, here's the time-saving part. If you need to cite that same source again elsewhere in your document, you don't have to retype anything. Place your cursor at the new spot, go back to References, click Insert Citation, and choose the source from the list. Word keeps a running list of sources you've added to this document, so reusing them is just a couple of clicks. That's it. You've placed a citation, created a reusable source, and used it again. Clean, consistent, and fast.